Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can carve out a ring out of wax and give it some texture. So you can make a shape out of wax and then cast it by using Delft Clay casting. And this way you can reproduce a piece of jewelry over and over again. And the great part is that you can buy a block like this, so you can use this one for a signet ring if you would like to. This one has a central hole and you can use it for a regular ring. And with this one you can go to town yourself and you can decide whatever it has to become. Before you can start out, make sure that the end is leveled or that it's right angled. And I'm using my regular tools to show you that you really don't need anything else but this. So I'm holding this against my bench pin, so that it's very stable. And I will just run over my file. Now I picked up this neat trick at the Metalsmith Society. If you haven't heard of it before, you can find them on Instagram, and it's a community of fellow metalsmiths, and they really help you out with all sorts of tips. And this is something that a plumber uses to round off pipes, and you can really use it for all your silver rings but also your wax rings to round off this edge. So instead of doing this edge with a bit of sanding paper or a file, I'm just using this. And you do have to watch out for your fingers because you will cut them open. But you can see how smoothly that goes. And just scribe a line. And I will just cut a little line in my bench bag. So I will have the same angle with every stroke I make. So I'll just get it in there. Cut in a bit. So this is the texture that I gave the ring, and I'm just smoothing it out a bit.